Okie dokie. So today I'll be working on the interior. This shift gate right here. Should just this popped out really easy. I'll just unscrew the knob. Boom. Okay, that's out. Now this guy, these little popper things. Yeah, see this is cracked, so I'm gonna have to find out how to fix it. Alright, you just pop each of the corners and that comes out, and yeah, find out where to fix that. For now, we gotta work on this and a new shift boot. Alright, so first things first, I'm just gonna rip this off. Shouldn't matter. Okay, we're left with this. And then I gotta figure out how to take this guy off. I think it's easy as, yeah, swirling that. I'll be right back. You just pull it out with some force and it just pops off. It clips on in. So let me grab the bottom part and then I'll move it into the new thing. Alright, here's the little ring. We just need to pop it into this guy. So, alright, that's nice and easy. I'm gonna wait to install that until I get it onto there. Have that here. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Pop that in. Looking good. I gotta use this shift knob since the other one, the piece on the bottom, wouldn't fit inside of the boot itself. So I'm using this razor knob that my dad used to have in his RX-7. Alright, look at that. Way better. Alright, so today I'm gonna be installing this turbo box that I bought by eBay. Just came in Christmas Day. I'm gonna install it today. Comes with a bracket, and how I'm gonna do it is I got some post-it notes that I'm gonna put on the back thing. I don't know. There. There. And then I'm gonna try to get the holes to line up. And I'm gonna dot it with a Sharpie where these holes line up, and then I'll cut how I see fit. So there's these little feet things that fit into the groove